guys. I guess I'm just gonna have to take off my Cuckoo the Clown costume if we want to play with Elmo.
I wanted us to play clowns today, but something happened and we couldn't play. Elmo came and saw us dressed as Cuckoo. Yes, we were prepared, but Elmo really got scared. We had these costumes that my mommy made, but Elmo saw them and he became afraid. Yes, he won't play clown. He just turned us all down. That's why I'm here wearing this very sad frown.